Welders play an important role in industries ranging from construction to manufacturing. By using heat and pressure, they're able to fuse parts together to create important things used in our everyday lives. Getting the necessary training and experience is key when pursuing a career as a welder. The Welding Technology Training Program at Universal Technical Institute can help prepare you for the industry by teaching you the major welding types used in the field, including gas metal arc welding, GMAW, shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, flux cord arc welding, FCAW, and gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW. The path taken to become a certified welder can vary, but common steps include 1. Graduating with a high school diploma or GED. 2. Attending a welding training program to receive important hands-on experience. 3. Testing for a certification from the American Welding Society. Welding is a career that requires a lot of skill and focus, which means becoming certified is important if you want to stand out in the industry. But how do you get the certifications you need? The welding program at UTI helps students prepare to test for AWS certifications. The certifications a welder tests for depend on the job requirements and the type of industry they plan to enter. And after gaining experience as a welder, there is the option of pursuing more advanced certifications down the line. With an education from UTI, you can start preparing for an exciting, in-demand career in welding. Click the link in our description to find out more about the Welding Technology Program, which is offered at 8 UTI campuses nationwide.